A clean body is automatically immune to all kinds of diseases, lifestyle ones as well as those caused by germs in the external environment. So, how do you effectively, safely, and systematically clean your body inside out? Namaste, I'm Silky and you're watching me on the Yoga Miles DIY Detox series, where I will share and explain various deep body cleaning methods based on ancient scriptures. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform Jala Neti, a practice for cleaning your nasal passage and sinus cavities. Payam payam vyutukramena shleshmadosham nivarayet. Gheranda Samhita mentions that practicing Jala Neti removes kapha disorders or the disorders of the mucus. If excess mucus is present in our sinus cavities, it becomes a breeding ground for respiratory infections, creates sluggishness of the body and the mind, and decreases our breath quality. However, all of these can be easily prevented through regular practice of Jala Neti, a simple method of irrigating our nasal passage with lukewarm salt water. Some people fear that the water might enter their head or lungs, but it's biologically impossible. Just imagine, we all do swimming, and it's practically impossible to drown yourself in chillu bhar pani. So trust me, Jala Neti is an extremely safe practice and can be easily done by everybody except in cases of severe nasal congestion or infection. So let's see how to practice Jala Neti. Take some lukewarm water mixed with sea salt. Now pour this water into your right nostrils. Now blow your nostrils well to clear out any sediments and moisture. Repeat this on the other side. Again, let the water flow out from your nostrils as well as mouth. Now blow your nostrils well to clear out any sediments and moisture. Once you're done, as a final step, blow both the nostrils repeatedly for a few seconds to dry up excess moisture, and then wash your hands and face. That's all. The entire process takes only about 5 minutes and can be easily included in your morning brushing routine. If you live in an area with severe pollution or high incidence of respiratory infections, then you can choose to practice Jala Neti twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. That was Jala Neti for you, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to practice Karna Dhoti or ear cleaning. Stay tuned to subscribe. Namaste.